are coming. They were fighting for all the food on the dish there. Here they go. There they go. Watch this when they all come. It's okay. Here comes another. Watch them go now. Oh, here's two more coming. Watch them go. They go like crazy. I want some. I want some. Go there first. There they come up here again. Oh, gonna have a Donnybrook going here soon. Like right over top of them. Look. Get in there, guys. The free-for-all. Oh, one guy. Go for it, buddy. Get in there. Look at her head go crazy. Wow. Oh, here, two more. Who's gonna be the king of the tray? Look. Come on, guys, get in there. Holy jumping. There's another one coming. Look out. Holy jumping. Look. Right on top of them. Guy here wanted some from here. This guy's smart. He's getting a dropping. Oh. Here they go. Look at this little guy trying to sneak around. And it's not even lunchtime yet. Like standing right on top of him. Holy jumping. Right on top of him. One guy on the bottom, he's still going. We're all on top of him, but he's still eating away. Holy Jesus, guys, take it easy. Get in there. Yeah. joining the party. Wow. If you like this one, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want. Oh. Look at this guy, he's coming right to me. Oh. Somebody's mad. We've got a squirrel over here. Is he going to join the party? There comes another one. Couple ain't too happy. There they go. I guess he won. Wow, this guy's tough, man. Here they go, log out. Wow, these guys are something else. Look at their heads go. Jesus. What do you want? This guy come to see me here. He wants that bag of seeds right there, look. Oh boy, here goes a fight. Take it easy, guys. Hey. Oh, we got a bully. We got a bully in the classroom. He sneaks away and he comes. One right at my doorstep. Come on, guys, get in there. Hey, you. Don't be such a bully. Go. Hey? Keep an eye on you. Hey, you share some, not you. You get back here. Go on, it's okay. Okay, guys, go ahead. We got the bully here. Hey, not you. Go. Come on, guys. See, I can go almost right up to them. It's okay, go ahead. There you go.